So this is my new miter saw that Bosch sent me as a part of their bi-turbo promotion. It's a cordless 216mm miter saw operated by 18V battery, so you don't need to run no cables and still make 1600 watts of power. I've had this saw for a few weeks now and I would like to show you some of its cool functions that I haven't came across elsewhere. First of them would be this laser and LED light that turns on when you press the trigger. The laser is on both left and right side of the blade to assist you with a precision cut. There's also 4 preset speed settings to change the speed of the blade depending on what kind of timber you cut in. The saw has removable side stoppers on both sides that you can easily flip up or down when you don't need them, and those backsliding fences that are attached by wire, so you don't lose them when you're making your bevel cuts, which I find very handy. Another very useful feature is this bevel angle preset that has all your favorite angles, 22.5, 33.9 and your 45-degree angle. It's very quick and easy to use, just make sure the saw is calibrated properly, so you're not carrying on with the same mistake. And then there's the miter saw angle setting. Looks very similar, nothing you haven't seen on other miter saws, but this one kind of locks on your favorite angles when you slide it, which makes it much easier to find and lock in. We've also got this handle on top, which makes it much easier to carry. The saw weighs 15 kilos, so it's not super heavy, but it's a little bit awkward, like any other miter saw. Another useful thing you might or might not use, depending on what kind of work you're doing, is this depth stop, which can be changed by screwing it in or out. And now, let me show you a few examples of the saw in action. Overall, I have been very happy with it. It makes nice clean cuts and feels very sturdy. I really like the lasers and speed settings, which can be accessed on your phone via Bluetooth as well. The only downside I felt is the position of the handle to change the bevel angle. It's a little bit awkward to reach, but I guess that's a problem all miter saws would have. This saw is a great addition to my tool collection, and thank you Bosch for supporting young carpenters.